Hello everyone. I hope you all are very well at your home. Please stay safe and be healthy at your home. So today I'm gonna tell you about very first step, that is standing line. So this video is basically for moms by which she can tell to their ward how to make standing line. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm taking English notebook. So what you have to do, you have to put the caption here on the top of the notebook on the first line. So here I am using a sketch color because kids loves color and it should be attractive because it's for very tiny kids. So what you will write here, you will write here like this, standing line. Standing line. You have to write the caption in capital letter because in nursery kids will learn only capital letters. That's why. Now what you will do, next step is, kids are very tiny, so you have to give knowledge about dots. What you will do, you know how to make standing line, so you will make dots on 3 lines like this. Yes, now you have to leave 1 line, then again leave 1 line and then put the dots on first 3 lines. As earlier in introduction of English notebook, as I told you, in English notebook you are having 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So before starting standing line pattern, you have to tell to your ward, in which notebook is this? It's a English notebook. And how many lines in the English notebook? 4 lines. Kids will reply you 4 lines here. So it's a revision part. Now you have to keep your finger here and tell to your ward first line, second line, third line and fourth line. And what is this? These are dots. What is this? Dots. What is this? Dots. Now you have to repeat twice or thrice in a time. Okay, now what you will take, you can take pencil and just give it to your ward's hand. What kid will be do? You have to support your ward's hand and kids will make standing line like this. Now again like this. Now again keep your pencil on first line. Now come down, down, stop on the third line. Wow, great. You made standing line. Now again keep pencil on the first line, come down, 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 stop. Wow. Now again keep your pencil here on first line. Now come down, 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 stop. Very good. Now again keep your pencil on the first line, red line, and come down, down, down here. Very good. What you made? Standing line. Wow, great. Very good. You have to motivate your child by clapping, by hurrah, by wow, by attractive words. You can motivate your child also. So dear parent, this is the right way how to put the work in the kids notebook. One more thing I want to share with you, if kids are doing anything, so you just motivate them by your motivational word, by clapping, by high five, anything you can do, but just motivate them, by which kids will take more interest. Thank you.